Today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out one of my outdoor pool boxes. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Obviously, our Tiny Tidy today is taking place outside because sometimes we have things outdoors that we need to tidy as well, just like the pool box that I'm going to tidy. I want to thank Sunday Dawn for putting this playlist together. Please check out her channel, linked in my description box below, along with the rest of the Tiny Tidy playlist. So I decided to title this Tiny Tidy, the Tiny Tidy that almost did not make it, because I was very close to not even putting out this Tiny Tidy. I had great aspirations for this Tiny Tidy. I was going to take everything out of this pool box and I was going to make two piles, a keep pile and a discard pile. Well, as I was pulling things out, I just noticed that they were really just gross and dirty. And I can clean inside all day long, but I'm not that big on cleaning outside, especially when I see bugs. And if you can't tell by the way I'm kind of acting, I saw a bug. So I decided to put on gloves. And the farther down in this pool container that I got, pool box, the more disgusting every item became, and it stunk. Like, there was a smell. I don't know what the smell was. I was told I was the only one that could smell the smell, but I definitely could smell a stale, stinky odor. I mean, look at that float. Is that not just, I don't even know how old that float is. I don't remember that float. There is even, I don't know how many old pumps were in here. There was in here somewhere, there's this box of lights that I pulled out, and the cardboard, and we never put the lights up, and the cardboard was just disintegrating around the box. So the farther down I got, the creepier it got, and the more bugs I saw, the more creeped out I got. So basically, I was just done with this box. I think you just probably saw me jump. Yeah, because there was a bug, big spider. So I'm trying desperately to get everything out, and I did manage to get everything out but the last few things, and then I was just like, I'm not touching this pool box anymore. So originally, like I said, I was going to do the donate pile, and not donate, nobody would want that stuff, but the trash pile and then the put back in pile. And I was going to clean out the inside of the pool box, and that was going to be part of my Tiny Tidy. You guys, when I got everything out of this pool box, it was just gross and disgusting. And I just felt like, you know what? This pool box has served us since we got our pool. So 13 years or maybe even more. We have had this pool box. It served its purpose. And we do not need to store all of the things that we had stored in there at a previous time. So I decided that I would just put back the two vacuums that I kept, which is all I ended up keeping, the two vacuums and a net. And I decided that we need a smaller pool box anyway, because we do not need this whole big thing. And I think that this weekend, actually I know this weekend, we're going to replace the pool box. So I just put these things back in, and that ended up kind of being most of my Tiny Tidy. I had to go inside and take a shower. This is not my kind of thing. Like I said, I'll clean inside all day long. So everything in this pile is getting thrown away. There are some depleted soccer balls, pool noodles of all shapes and sizes. There's even some sidewalk chalk in there, some old floats, a doll that I have no idea how old it is, old sunscreen, flower pots, just a lot of old junky stuff, a lot of old goggles. And look at this football, it even has a hole in it where it disintegrated. I spent the remainder of this tiny tidy watching as all the items got put into the garbage bags, and I am so glad that they are put into the garbage bags and will be exiting our backyard area and our house altogether. But I am also glad that I put this tiny tidy out, because you know what, sometimes in life things do not go exactly as planned, and this project did not go exactly as I planned, and so I am glad that I could share that with you. P.S. I think any tiny tidies in the near future will be inside my home and definitely not outside. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this motivated or inspired you to do a tiny tidy today. And don't forget to check out Sunday's channel and the playlist listed in my description box below. Have a fabulous Tuesday, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.